Namaste, my fellow creators. Thank you for joining me today for the Home Office Yoga series. In the next 5 minutes, we'll perform a series of exercises that will coordinate breath with movement. They will enrich our blood with oxygen and bring oxygen to all parts of our body, including our brain, so you can stay productive and focused throughout your day. Let's get started. Let's sit comfortable in our chairs. The back is straight. The core is engaged, belly button is moving in and up. And let's inhale our arms up and exhale them down. We inhale through the nose and exhale through the nose. We can also inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. And HA, exhale. Inhale, arms up, exhale down. Deep inhale, even deeper exhale, and the last time. Inhale and exhale. Wonderful. Let's open our arms on both sides. Inhale here, exhale, hug ourselves. Inhale our arms out, alternate. Maybe left arm goes on top of the right this time. Exhale here. Inhale, deep exhale. Deep inhale and even deeper exhale. Let's make sure that our exhales are longer than our inhales. And the last time, open our arms and hug ourselves in gratitude. Let's inhale our arms up and put them in prayer, twist to the right. Go to neutral, inhale our arms up, put them in prayer, twist to the left. Our hips are staying where they are. Inhale our arms up. Exhale, prayer, twist to the right. And again, inhale our arms up. On the exhale, twisting to the left. Excellent. Let's put our wrist in prayer position and flip right wrist upside down. And we're gently pressing with the left wrist to the right. Inhale, exhale, press gently a little more. Inhale and exhale. Deep inhale and even deeper exhale. Let's shake our hands and put them in prayer again and flip the left hand. Inhale here, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Last time. Inhale, very deep inhale, even deeper exhale. We can do HA. Excellent. Let's shake our hands again. Let's lock our fingers and stretch our arms. Maybe crack a few knuckles. That's okay. And then let's inhale our arms up, stretch the shoulders, mild bend back, and long, complete exhale. Arms down, inhale up, mild bend back, exhale, our arms down, beautiful, you're doing great. Inhale up and exhale down, last time. Inhale up, exhale down, and let's shake our hands again, beautiful. Next is a cat and cow pose. For the cow pose, we inhale and arch our back. For the cat pose, we crunch our abs and bring shoulders forward. Cow, shoulders back, inhale. Cat, crunching forward, exhale. Inhale and cow, exhale and cat. Deep inhale here and even deeper exhale. Inhale, exhale, and last time. Inhale and exhale. Wonderful. Stay tuned for other videos from the Home Office Yoga series. Namaste.